Welcome. On the last video, we saw how to create shapes from coordinates, and on this video we will be learning how to mix them with some math to create new shapes. So if you didn't watch the last video, I'll leave you a link to it. So here we have the two planes on the left are representing the values of A and B, which are the outputs of these nodes. On the right we have the result after we apply the operation. This way it will be easier to see how it works. For the first case we will use add. What this will do is like if they were overlapping and we were adding A plus B on each point. When we add 0 plus 1 on this corner here, the result is 1. On the top right corner it is 2 because both numbers have a value of 1 on that region, and so on. Now let's see what happens with different operations. Let's make it a bit more complex and put this shape inside a circular mask. To create a circle, we can use distance. This node will give us the distance between each point and the coordinate origin. Map range changes the range of our coordinates. In this case I will change it from 0 to 1 to 0.1 to 1, just to change the black color to gray and make our result more visible. To create the mask, we will use multiply, because when we multiply any number by 0, it will become 0, so we won't be seeing it. And if we multiply by 1, it will remain the same. So the part that is overlapping the white part will be visible, and the part overlapping the black part won't. And that's it. Now we have a good idea of how to mix different shapes, and on the next video we will be learning how to create repeating patterns. Thanks for watching.